Hi, homemade pasta is the best pasta. Now I am going to make my favorite pasta from scratch, gnocchi. I am going to make gnocchi in two sauces today. First is the simple butter oregano sauce. The second sauce is far more decadent, creamy saffron sauce. 4 medium potatoes, boiled and grated, 1 cup refined flour, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon salt. For butter oregano sauce, 1 tablespoon butter, 1.5 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes. For saffron cream sauce, 1 cup cream, 1 clove garlic chopped, 1 pinch saffron. Let's start making the gnocchi. First, we will add mashed potatoes. To this we will add oil and salt. Let's mix it and then add flour. We will add the flour carefully. If we add too little, it will not bind. If we add too much, the gnocchi will turn very hard. It's now starting to come together. It is almost like a soft dough. I am going to dust my surface with flour. I am going to roll it into a thick snake. This is done. Let's cut it into pieces. Let's give them a nice design. We'll boil some water for cooking the gnocchi. We'll carefully slide the gnocchi in hot water. It needs 2 to 3 minutes to cook. We'll take it out as soon as the gnocchi starts floating to the top. It has started floating. Time to take it out. First, we will make it in a simple butter sauce. Then we will add gnocchi. Now, I'll add chili flakes and oregano. It is so fragrant. Now we'll plate it. It's really yummy this way. But I am going to make a saffron cream sauce to make it richer. To the same pan, I am going to add some more butter. I'll add a little bit garlic because I don't want it to take over the taste of saffron. We'll add cream to this. Now I am going to add my main ingredient, saffron. As it heats up, the color will get darker. For plating, first I have added sauce and on top of it I have added pasta. It's heavenly. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.